In the 5th episode, we've already laid the boundary and guide wires, and now we will connect the standing station. It's really simple. First, turn off the mower if it's still on, and take it out of the station. Remove the charging unit from the station. To connect, hold the 50 cm of wire we left before as wiggle room, and hold it against the contacts with a loose loop, and cut off the excess. Then attach a clamp to each end and press them together tightly. Then attach the left boundary wire on the left side, the guide wire in the middle, and the right boundary wire on the right. Push in the ends of the wires really well until you feel a real jolt, and press all of the clamps together really tightly, otherwise there won't be a connection. Now clip the charging unit back in and check whether the LED of the charging station is lit up green. If it is flashing, check the manual for advice. Finally, reposition the station correctly and screw it firmly to the ground. Now push the mower back into the station and turn on the main switch. The mower has a predefined pin code: top, right, bottom, left. The pin code can be changed in the app later. The bottom left and right LEDs now start flashing to show that the mower is ready. Now it is best to press the home button and confirm that the mower will stay in its little house while we work with the settings. To do this, it must be connected with the Gardena Bluetooth app within 3 minutes of being turned on. To do this, open the app, search for the available devices and connect the app to the Minimo.